Hi there, students. Glide. To glide is most normally a verb, but it can be a noun as well, a glide. And then you actually have the aircraft, a glider. So, to glide, to slide or move softly, smoothly, effortlessly. The skaters glided across the ice. She glided across the dance floor as if on a cushion of air. Okay, so to move quietly and smoothly. The cat slowly glided towards the mouse. So it's this smooth, soundless motion. It's not jerky. It just as if nothing's happening, just the movement. There are no wheels or no feet, or just moving slowly. And then we can use it figuratively, meaning to occur without anyone noticing. The legislation glided through the parliament. Or we can also use it to talk about time passing without you noticing it. The time glided by and the lesson was over before I knew it. Yeah, time flies when you're having fun. It glides by. Then we can have a glider. To glide, to fly without an engine. A glider is an aeroplane that glides through the air. The bird glided through the air without flapping its wings. A paper plane glides. Okay, so to glide, to slide, to slip, to drift, to move soundlessly and effortlessly. The sailing ship glided through the water. To glide, to happen easily and effortlessly and unnoticed. The summer glided by in a haze of warm days. Or to fly without an engine. The engine of the aeroplane cut out and it glided. Okay, you can also have a glide in linguistics. This is like a semi-vowel where your tongue moves from one position to another. Or the running of one sound into another. And then a glide can also be a type of cup or cap to go on the bottom legs of a piece of furniture to stop it damaging the floor. But these are both probably, well, the first one's technical and the second one is less usual nowadays. So, to glide, a regular verb. The plane glided through the air. The bird has learned to glide finally. And next question, formality. I think I'd only give this a 5 in formality. It does sound ever so slightly literary, but I think you can use this anywhere, informally and formally. And then what about origin? Well, there's an old English word glidan, which meant to slide or to move. And that itself comes from a Proto-Germanic word, glidana, meaning to slide or to glide. So meaning hasn't changed much. The dervishes glided round and round as if there was nothing moving them and there were no feet beneath them. Okay, so to glide, it's a smooth, not jerky movement. Quiet, silent movement without any effort or strain. Yeah. The maglev train glided into the station. Okay, so to glide. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Glide.